अभी तक जब तक आप स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं, तब तक आपका एक फ़िक्स चीज़ होती है कि ये इतना पीरियड, इतना टाइम पर। जब आप इंडस्ट्री में जाओगे तो इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगा, आपको रूल्स नहीं पता, हर रोज़ आपको नया नया चीज़ें अडेप्ट करनी पड़ती हैं। तो मेरा ये मानना है कि किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में जब आप जाते हो तो आपका जो टैलेंट है, आपकी जो स्किल्स हैं, आपकी जो कॉम्पिटेंस है, वो सबके बराबर होगी। चाहे आप सीए में जा रहे हो, लॉ में जा रहे हो, कहीं जा रहे हो, वहाँ एक लेवल होगा। पर उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो होती हैं, 2-3 चीज़ें हैं। पहली चीज़ होती है एटीट्यूड। आपका एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए किसी भी काम करने के लिए। आप देखिए क्लास में मॉनिटर कौन होता है? जो कहता है मैं करूँगा, उसी को मैडम देती है। तो आपका एक एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए।
So my objective and the aim is, see, it's not about that we just visit in and for a stand. So it should not be something which is instant like a fast food. No, it should not be like that. So we need to check in the DNA and the roots of certain things. And as an industry leader and we as responsible citizen, so we should understand and cater into that, and we should upskill them. That is what I feel in. So the discussion and the diaspora should not be limited to the dais. It should be more on to the vocal advocacy of the students. That is what I feel, because all these things are managed and taken care of because of the students' upliftment and their development and all. So I was just talking to one of the director while I was just walking into this way. So it's not about the communication skills overall. Trust me, it's not about that. It's an AI world. So it's like a mundane to everything which is more of a routine work which is time consuming. However, there are other things which can just take a back seat, but there are a lot of things what they know that needs to be fine-tuned and trained, and they can just know the power within themselves, and once they use it with those live examples, they can definitely sustain into it. And to be very honest, you don't have to get afraid of anything pertaining to AI. Human interface is very, very important. Otherwise, all the things are as good as being done. Right? That's my submission. Thank you so much.
So we are mainly into outsourcing and consulting engagements. So the message to the students would be, you have to be disciplined, confident, and more focused towards your dreams. This is what I want to say. Thank you.
From my experience is that no company can survive without efficient human resource. And the human resource that they receive from the colleges and from the educational institutions. This institution is giving you knowledge, right? But in order to be successful, you need to learn something practically from your life. The way you manage your life, in the same way you can manage the company. That will help the company to grow.
This event was organized for the betterment of the students to just get to know about the companies and how they recruit people, what are the skills which are required for their proper recruitment. So I think कि all the panelists they guided very well और students को बहुत कुछ पता चला कि how to groom themselves, कैसे हम अपने skills पे improvement करें. And it was indeed very wonderful session. I think students they get to know much which was needed. Thank you so much.
तो हमारे पास जब रिक्वायरमेंट्स आती हैं रिसोर्सेज के लिए, तो सबसे पहले आता है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स। और एमएनसी, अगर कोई भी एमएनसी में आप जा रहे हो तो एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव अ वर्बल एंड रिटन कम्युनिकेशन। मेल्स लिखना आपको आना चाहिए, कैसे कम्युनिकेट करें, किस लेवल से आप कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो। किसी सरकारी अधिकारी को अगर आप मेल लिखोगे तो कैसे लिखोगे, रिस्पेक्टेड। किसी पीयर्स को लिखोगे तो कैसे लिखोगे। तो यू शुड हैव ऑल दोस क्वालिटीज, ठीक है। अ गुड एचआर पर्सन, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग सर, is a person who knows how to hire and how to fire.
Early in life. So you should start very early in life, decide over where you have to fly, and then you must try and inculcate those kinds of attributes into your skills whereby you can fly.
इंटरव्यूअर को आपके बारे में सब पता और वो आपका रिज्यूमे पढ़ता नहीं है आपके सामने, आपसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछता है? आपके पास में हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल की
This is the opportunity for you to learn something new and upskill yourself to that level. Simple सी बात है, right? अगर आप, for example, let's say if somebody is hiring you for a relationship manager, you will upskill yourself, you will understand all the, plus, minus, P&L and all these things to it. So it is giving you a diaspora of a learning from one aspect and one avenue to the other. That is an advantage. You're not limiting yourself. You're doing a self-internship for it. ऐसा बोलता ना internship. So it's more of an externship and an internship, a combination of both.